What is up, buds? Happy fly day. We are headed to Caraway today, and I have got in mind a special little piece of Caraway that I really want to hit. It's been a while since I got out to the abyss, and I don't know what makes me want to go in there, but it's fucking ridiculous fun. There's like this 3-layer ladder thing with a skywalk on top, and then there's a treacherous abyss right next door. So if you were to accidentally fall in the abyss, you got 3 stories down till you hit the water, and then at least 2 more stories just of water. It's like 20 foot deep. It's claimed multiple quads. There's brand new Hero 9 down there, and a couple of quads. There's run cams down there too. But yeah, I'm hoping not to end up in the abyss and just fly gracefully through it. We'll see how that shit goes. But that's my plan for today, is get in that shit. And yeah, I just really want that. It's such a cool fucking spot. There's like right in the middle, you can fucking fly in and go into this like old cafeteria, and there's all these like holes in the walls and little boxes and shit. It's just cray fun place. Holy shit, dude. Here she is. Oh man, they're coming all the way through that main building now. If you guys wanted the update on Caraway, here it is. Oh man, that means that that's all gonna be reachable from the Atrium. That's where I want to go to. We're headed to the Atrium, boys. Oh my god, dude, all the way through. Holy shit. Yes. Oh my god, the entranceway is gone. Dude. The abyss is right there. It still stands. I don't think they'll ever kill the abyss. If they do, man, there's a bunch of GoPros in there and there's a reward. I need to get me some spray paint and leave a little note that there's a reward, but shit. Oh, here's the school, still untouched. And they're flattening everything over here. Everything they can reach. Yeah, and so this looks like they're just cleaning all the scrap out and grading it now. Makes me think that that might be about as far as they go across that building. I can't see why they would leave this ledge hanging though. Look at that though, all the way through. The Caraway's disappearing, boys. One bit at a time. One bit at a time. Holy fucking shit, man. Holy fucking shit. Yeah. Damn. Come get it, Birmingham, Alabama. It won't be here long. Look at the Atrium right there. Oh shit. Gates open down here. We got workers. This equipment. I don't see any workers today. Let's go fly this shit.
I see y'all motherfuckers. You can jump, right? Yeah. You don't know how. Jump head first down into the abyss, bitch. Fucking with my clique, huh? That shit's ridiculous. Go against the gods, go against the flow. No, we all powerful, and look at you. Ridiculous.
All the frats said fuck em. You're going from the top to the bottom. You don't wanna mess with Ryan. More rock and roll than I am hip hopping. Undead, the graveyard's my garden. A few spots left where we bury all the stars in. No, you don't want it, you fucking with a Martian. Always finish where we started. Sold your soul for a bargain price. Get what I want, never ask it nice. Do what I want, never take advice. You know West Coast, better take a hike. Giggle once more and I'll take your life. Won't let it slide, the shit ain't swipe. Get worked up and a little bit hype. Ridiculous facts, don't touch the mic. I
look at niggas nowadays, I can't believe you spittin', son. We reppin' I'm all work and no play like Nicholson. Stripping, pistol whipping, any whistle blowing sissy cunt. I'm super serial with witty puns and fucking Kirsten Dunst. So hit the drums and I come swinging with that afro shit. I'm super califragilistic, expialifascist, bitch. I'm on that Indiana lasso shit. I'm sick and so serious. Jones Holmes, I pass the gift. Call me a pacifist. It's really quite inaccurate. I'll smack a bitch talking shit about my cancer sticks. I'm smoking on pink rose with a pink potion. See niggas broken, I bust Bane and his brain blowing. We back, baby, we back. Booms with a pack, baby. We crack, baby. Some late Mac, I attack ladies. No, yes, maybe. Like I said before, I'm serious. The Reaper get the job done, make these niggas look ridiculous. Jump head first down into the abyss, bitch. Fucking with my clique, huh? That shit ridiculous. Go against the gods, go against the Reaper. I'm an almighty creature, know y'all niggas is.
Rappers so glossy, I see it on their lips. Wanna dance like the chicks in their clips. That's just ridiculous. Shit is going down and the rats abandon ship. But that ain't a surprise, you and your clique are ridiculous. You wanna ridicule us? That's ridicule us. I'm in the mix like a silver flask of scissor syrup. And I got them curious about who, what, when, and how. I do it so conspicuous. They never knew us, then we blew up again. Touring for a few months, years now. Many artists drew us. I turn them C's into pickled pepper goulash. Where's your head? It's in the cool box. Rappers lose us in the process, they so bitter. Wanna be the trending topic, they on Twitter. I'm on Twitter too, but I don't give a shit if you follow me or swallow me. You can suck a dick or two. You better didgeridoo all that you done, son. But you don't live what we do, and that ain't undone. Dragon in the dungeon, spitting fire vigorous. Fucking with the vicious, now you know that shit's ridiculous.
Jump head first down into the abyss, bitch. Fucking with my clique, huh? That shit ridiculous. Go against the gods, go against the Reaper. I'm an almighty creature, know y'all niggas is.
Rappers so glossy, I see it on their lips. Wanna dance like the chicks in their clips. That's just ridiculous. Shit is going down and the rats abandon ship. But that ain't a surprise, you and your
Well, this looks like the safest place. The quad's over there. Holy shit. This place is insane.
Have you seen my best spot?
There she is. Got a busted prop or something. Wouldn't take back off. I don't even see a fucking busted prop. Oh, this looks like a safe place to stand. We got Bama drone in the house.
I saw when Mr. Steele orbited that thing.
Out here at the Atrium. And look at that shit. Holy fucking shit, man. The Atrium will never be the same.
Getting drunk by the figure eight. Figure one more beer ought to set me straight. Young and carefree as a boy could be. Whiskey smokes and LSD. Railroad tracks run along the creek. Walk 'em up and down in the summer heat. Same old boy changing like the seasons. Country kid turning to a town right heathen. Country kid turning to a town right heathen. Daddy's in jail for a DUI. Brothers in rehab a second time. Fucked up on salts and spices of all kinds. Legal drugs doing double damage to your mind. There must be greater forces at play. Too big to see and impossible to say. No one alive makes it out unscathed. Aches and scars. Hey, aches and scars. Hey, aches and scars. Hey, aches and scars. Now I think we're even. Country kid turning to a town right heathen. Getting high by the covered bridge. Granny find out, gonna flip her lid. Never did go to a high school dance. I was in love with a bad romance. Now I'm 28 with these aches and pains. Pray to the devil now with each complaint. No one alive makes it out unscathed. Aches and scars. Hey, aches and scars. Hey, aches and scars. Hey, aches and scars. 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 Now I think we're even. Country kid turning to a town right heathen. Country kid turning to a town right heathen. Country kid turning to a town right heathen.
I said a pilot, a pilot. I said a pilot the dune. I said a pilot.